Hi guys, Ben James here. Welcome to another video, and this is a video about Click Wealth System Review. Now, this is a new product out that's available on ClickWealth affiliate websites, and it's all about affiliate marketing system that integrates your email service provider. Before I get into this, though, I just want to let you know that if you like what you hear throughout this and the value that I'm giving you throughout this thing, please subscribe, please comment, ask me questions about the program, and ring that notification bell. But I appreciate any of that, guys. Thanks again. So what is it? What is Click Wealth? You may have heard of it. You may have been searching around online. Maybe you received an email about it. You looked into it. Maybe you come across a site like this that come up and you watch the video. Well, this particular system was put out by a guy called Matthew Tang. Matthew Tang is a very, very well-known online marketer, and he earns 8 figures a year. So with that said, he kind of knows what he's doing when he's building systems that help affiliate marketers. Now, if you're just looking at something that you want to get your teeth around and make some money online or get started with, maybe you're a beginner affiliate marketer, maybe you're intermediate and you haven't found something that really works. Well, look, my initial response to this was one of some doubts and I guess you could say, well, is it really as good as what I was hearing? But from what I'm experiencing with it now, it is a very, very good product. So anyway, let me get into it. So what does it have to offer you? It's beginner friendly, like I said. It's a step-by-step, easy understand instructions. The checklist that allows anyone to use software even if they have not made a single cent. Okay, so it's a very step-by-step, easy to understand instruction. So if you're looking for something more simplified, less complicated, then this may be what you're looking for. Strong support community. Matt has provided a chat bot in the members area so that you're able to contact the team quickly, which is really crucial, guys, in products like this. You need to be able to get help quick, and I reckon that's a very good extra thing that Matt's put in here. Also, he provided a Facebook support group where you can be encouraged by the results of others using the Click Wealth system. Also, the Facebook group is another venue that you can get support and help. So again, really, real good, strong support. I know in the past for me, especially when I was first starting out, getting support on the product, you wouldn't hear back for a few days. It'd frustrate you, and you just end up refunding out of frustration. It comes with a website builder, so you can create a website in less than 5 clicks. It's literally a very simple setup. So when they say website builder, basically what they have in there is templates that you plug into. Templates. You click it, you add your autoresponder in, you add a couple other details, bang, 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 and you're done. So it really, if you want to get a website up and going, and a high converting website, that's key as well, because anyone can put up a website, but getting a high converting website, Matt's got it all in there for you. So, you know, this is great for beginners and great for those that are intermediate that haven't quite got into all the website side of things now. And you don't have to worry about HTML and all the techo stuff. There's 100% proven testimonials. The testimonials are sent in personally by members, so you'll see it on the Facebook group in Facebook once you get access. And you'll see, obviously, if you watch this video as well, Matt brings up some more testimonials there. Cheap. You can get your own website builder, hosting, domain, and tracking system, right? Should you get it, it's going to cost you a lot more. And Matt's got here a cost around $1,000. You know, it depends on what type you get, but it can cost you a lot of money. If you've got someone to build you a website, a landing page, and you've got to get hosting and a domain and a tracking system, man, you're going to be up for a lot more. Click Wealth only costs $9 one time only. Okay, now that's the initial cost as you get in. You can get started for as little as $9, which is fantastic. But again, you know, there's some upsells in there, like any product, which can fast track your results. So let's have a look. Obviously, you get instant access. It's a digital subscription, so there'll be no extra shipping costs. You can access instantly on your laptop. So if you're sitting there right now and you're thinking, can I get access to this? Do I have to wait? No, you'll get access straight away to the system. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Matt's kindly provided a 60-day money-back guarantee so that people can get their hands on it with zero risk. This shows that Jake is confident well, I think that's meant to be Matt, that Matt is confident about the product, which is awesome, guys. You know, when you see a 60-day guarantee, you know someone's really backing their product. So the Click Wealth system allows you to purchase upgrades, obviously, along the way, with, like I said, it generates profits faster and easier. Now, why don't they include these in the $9? Well, guys, they can't include everything in $9. You know, I can't go to the store and buy something on special and expect to get a shirt on special for $12, $13 and expect to get a $100 pair of jeans with it, or to expect to get an expensive jacket with it, or a tie, or some sort of add-on. I have to pay extra for that value of that. So it's like, you know, these guys help you get a foot in the door so you can get your head around this stuff and get earning some money, and then you're able to upgrade if you want. But they are optional, and the first upgrade is the Profit Activator, right? I would highly suggest this one. It's 5 extra plugins that allow you to customize your website to increase conversion rates and the number of subscribers, right? So what that means is it basically, you can, so at the $9 level, you get in there and you pick from a few already made up websites, okay? You can't change much at all. You can't personalize it. You can't put a photo of yourself in there, your name, your own description, or change things around the way you want it to increase your conversion rate. Okay, so without that, you're just going to have to go with what he's got. Now, it's pretty good, but this gives you a whole lot of free, a bit more flexibility within that. Urgency Active, display a countdown to encourage your visitor opt-in. So you know how you see these on websites, they have a countdown, 2 minutes and 52. So that creates urgency. That's a really good thing to have on, and you can just click that. That's a click of a button. You click that on or off on your website. Personal Activator, personalize your visitor's experience. Basically, you can say what country. You know, if a visitor is in South Africa, their flag and all that will come up. Really good. It just personalizes it for them. Social Proof Activator, display a list of members who have made money through the program. So real list of members, and Matt's got the software set up so these testimonials will get added to your site. So this will increase conversions, guys. Scarcity Activator, display the expiration date of the offer. So again, just that urgency, due to high demand, this offer won't. So you can have that label on your website. Now, you won't get all these at the $9 level, but you will get a good website to start off with. And that's going to be something like this, a basic website. Retargeter Activator, display a pop-up right before your visitor decides to leave. So like you guys, if you've decided to leave any website, you see a little pop-up that comes up. In the $9 deal, you don't get that. And it just can capture their email at the last minute. These things are all designed to convert, okay? This has been written up, put together by a guy who knows online marketing. Been doing it for years, earning 8 figures. So I think he knows what to include. Now, the upgrade 2 is the Click Profit Multiplier. Again, optional for you. A cloud-based email marketing system that allows you to create unique email swipes with a click of the button. So if you like doing things a little easier and clicking buttons, then this might be for you. On top of that, it shows you the top converting offers that marketers are using to generate good profits online. Okay, so very, very good upgrade, that one. So you might want this. So here's the original message. This is what you can get. So you write out a basic message, but you can actually, this click multiplier, profit multiplier will allow you to transform the message into a slightly different message. Hello, friend, what could I do? Totally avoid going to work every day. What if you could totally avoid going to work every day but still get paid? That's awesome, right? That'd be awesome, right? Because what exactly did a few elite members are doing every day? Because that's what exactly. So it's just a slight change, but what it does is it rewrites the content so you can make multiple follow-up emails. So you don't have to sit there trying to think what you're trying to write. And Matt provides you with some content on the emails on the back end. So once you get your autoresponder set up, if you've already got one, you just copy and paste these ones into your autoresponder. Really good upgrade. You may or may not want that one. Upgrade 3, you get 5 extra profit sites. So you know how I said before, I said you're going to get some websites, some basic ones to pick from. I can't remember if it's 1 or 2 in there you get to pick from. But on top of that, and on top of the way you can personalize them, this allows you to generate 5 more unique websites with the cloud software. So everything's hosted on the system. You don't have to worry about hosting. domain and all that will be included. And if you've got a domain, you can definitely include that one in there as well. But these are all the different websites to help your conversion rates that you get to pick from. So that's going to be a really asset to you. And it's all through the cloud software. Okay, you just select the style you like, and away you go. You start promoting that website. Really easy. Should you buy it? Well, I bought it and made some money with it. I guess the answer is clear, definitely. It's a beginning-friendly product that allows anyone to get started quickly and make money on the internet. In fact, making money online with Click Wealth System can be summarized in just the 3 steps. Choose a verified customer source from our insider list. Create a website using our cloud software using 5 clicks, less than 5 clicks. And I can vouch for that. It's a less than 5 clicks. Become the middleman by directing the customer source to your website. That's it. Simple and easy, to be honest. I've not seen anything like it on the market. I've kind of seen similar products, but this really, if you're looking for easy, simple, no-brainer kind of stuff to get started and get your feet wet, well, this is a really, really good place to start, guys. And you can start for less than $9. I mean, goodness me, that's a cup of coffee and a donut. I'm happy that my subscribers have shared it with me. I'm looking forward to create a desired future filled with Click Wealth System, and you should too. So if you want to get access, guys, just go below here. What I'm gonna do is, if you buy through my link below the video, I'm going to answer any questions you're going to have. I'm going to help hold your hand. You'll receive once you get access in here. Send me a little email, and I'll leave my details down there. I'll leave my Skype, my best email address to get me at, and send me an email and say, Ben, hey, I got access. I got the first upgrade, and if there's any issues going on or you can't access something, or you want to know any kind of ins and outs on how to promote it and all that, which Matt goes into anyway, all the training's there. I'm there to help hold your hand, and I'll show you as a bonus a little secret source of traffic. Okay, that's my promise to you if you decide to buy through there. But I'm only going to show the secret source of traffic, which converts. I've tested it, and I'll show you. I tested it the other day on my test account here within ClickBank, and I just have a few accounts with ClickBank. I'll just quickly sign back in, and I just do tests on this one to see if things are working okay. And this particular day here, I earned $384 promoting Matt's system and Matt's product. So does it work? Yes, it does work, but there's a secret traffic source that I use that may be helpful for you, along with what Matt teaches as well in the system. Okay, so I just want to thank you for watching the video today, and remember my bonus. I'm going to give the secret traffic source to those that at least upgrade to the first, because I really think you're going to need this profit activator. This is what you're going to need to help your conversion, so you can help get your sales. If you've upgraded to that, send me an email, send me a message and say, Ben, I bought the profit activator. And if you end up buying a couple more, let me know. And I'll give you my secret traffic source that it took me months and lots of money to find and test. And so you can start promoting your brand new websites, personalized websites, the high converting websites that Matt's giving you. Okay, so that's my promise to you. Get in touch below. And the link's below too to grab this product through my link. So thanks, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I really hope you get on board with this and give it a real good solid go. Don't get in it for just a few days. Oh, that's not working. You've got to commit to this for a few months. You commit to this for a few months. Just commit. So I'm committing this 3 months. It's going. I'm going to make it work. And with my help and with Matt's help, I know that you will. There's a lot of satisfied customers already. Thanks again for hanging around, and hopefully we'll talk on the other side sooner or later. Thanks, guys.